In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change spoken language in Microsoft Copilot. This is a quick setting to adjust, and it can make a big difference in how comfortable and natural your Copilot experience feels. If you prefer to hear responses in a different language or you want to match the spoken language to your own preference, you can do that directly from the Settings menu in just a few moments. To get started, open Microsoft Copilot and make sure you're on the main screen. Once you're there, look down to the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile. This is where you can access account-related options and app preferences. After clicking your profile, a menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will open the section where you can customize how Copilot works for you. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just take a moment to look through the available categories because the setting we want is located under Preferences. Inside Settings, find the Preferences section. Under Preferences, look for the option labeled Spoken Language. This controls the language Copilot uses when speaking aloud, so if you've been wanting to hear responses in another supported language, this is the place to change it. Once you find Spoken Language, click the drop-down menu next to it. A list of available language options will appear. From here, simply choose the language you want to use. Take your time and make sure you select the correct one, especially if several options look similar or include regional variations. As soon as you select your preferred language, the change is applied, and that's it! You've successfully changed the spoken language in Microsoft Copilot. If the new language doesn't seem to take effect right away, give Copilot a moment or try closing and reopening the app or session. That can help refresh the setting. It's also a good idea to test it by asking Copilot something out loud or playing a spoken response, just to confirm everything is working the way you expect. Changing this setting is a simple way to personalize your experience and make Copilot more useful in your day-to-day workflow. If you want, you can always return to the same preferences area later and switch to a different spoken language again.